Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the OneKey MLS app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. OneKey MLS is a real estate listing app designed to give buyers, sellers, and agents access to one of the largest multiple listing services in the New York region. The app provides real-time property listings, advanced search filters, and interactive map tools to help users find homes, rentals, or commercial properties. It also offers features like saved searches, instant listing alerts, and direct messaging with agents. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many real estate professionals and home seekers appreciate the accuracy of its listings and the depth of property details, which include photos, pricing history, and neighborhood information. The app's map-based search is smooth, and users like being able to refine searches by price, location, square footage, and more. For agents, the integration with the MLS database helps keep listings up-to-date and reliable. Still, the app has its drawbacks. Some users have noted occasional slow load times, glitches when saving searches, and that certain features work better on the desktop version. Others mention that listings may be limited to the OneKey MLS coverage area, so it's less useful if you're looking outside its network. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the OneKey MLS app may be worth using if you're buying, selling, or browsing real estate in the New York region and want access to up-to-date listings directly from a trusted MLS source. It excels in accuracy, search flexibility, and agent connectivity. However, if you're outside its coverage area or need more advanced market analytics, you might find it less effective. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.